Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself world. I got a Christmas gift here. Came in the mail from Cigman. I have no idea what's in here. It's just a nice Christmas package, a Christmas gift for me. And this is the company who sent me that laser level that I have for my sawmill and for a lot of other things. I really do like that laser level. Let's see what's in here anyway. Oh, there's a personalized card. Very nice. Little Christmas card. Basically it says, Troy Reed, all affection and best wishes to you and your family. Isn't that nice? Oh, there's something Michelle can have. It's definitely got something for everybody that she is going to love. Look at that. Oh wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, what's this here? Heavy. What? This thing is loaded. Let's slide this over. Oh, look at that. More fun for Michelle. There's definitely something for everybody. Magnets? Yep. Oh wow, straw magnets. I just stuck it to the base of this. So here's a bunch of Christmas themed magnets. There's the level. That's actually the level that I use. It's all their products. Definitely promotional, but cool and neat. Michelle will love it. I'll pull out the little stuff first. Here's something that's incredibly handy. Look at that. A tiny little pocket level. I like that. I bet my table's not level. Whoa! I did a good job. It's level. What do we got here? We haven't done an unboxing like this in quite a few years, have we? I don't remember if I had any Christmas stuff last year to share. That's just a neat little, that'll definitely go to Michelle. She'll love that too. Little key ring thing. It's got, oh, glittery. Yep, definitely for Michelle. Glittery. And we've got here something. Oh, a Coke can looking cup. Stainless steel. I like stainless steel. I very much prefer stainless steel. With a straw. Oh, neat. Stainless steel covered lid. Nice. I'll probably give that to Melanie. She likes stuff like that for the road. And I got some gifts in here for me. Coming right here. This one is mine. A laser tape measure. We'll come back to that in a minute because that's going to require some looking at. And there's one last thing in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, a shirt. Medium. They got my size right. I don't remember them asking what size I am. Oh, wow. Once level, always level. That is true. I like their levels. That's a nice, very nice quality shirt. I can't explain it, but well, that's their own brand right there. Nice. And then we got the laser tape measure. I've always thought about getting one, but I never got around to it. Let's see what we have here. 50 meters measuring different distance. What is that? 150 feet, 50 yards. Magnetic hook. 500 milliamp hour lithium battery. Automatic locking. Automatic calibration. This is going to be awesome for out in the yard. 150 foot. But this really works. Wow. Well, this is something I'll probably do another video on later. I have no idea what I'm getting into here. It's got a real tape measure. 10-foot tape measure with inches and centimeters. That's important. So much conversion going on these days. Let me see. Looks like a good reinforced end. Oh, weird. Very smooth. And then I'll check out the laser part later. I don't want to shoot that in my eyes. I'll be reading instructions on that. There's a charging cable and a lanyard in there. I'll be checking that out later. Well, thank you very much, guys, from Cigman. This was a very nice little Christmas package for everybody. Well, guys, just a brief video, little unboxing. I think that's a bit of fun. Makes me remember the baby cat. I miss her. And please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't, and check out Cigman. This is not sponsored or anything. It was just a gift. Talk to you all later.